Hi everyone, for today's video I would like to show you how I was able to remove the battery tray for the Honda Odyssey 2007. So this should be the same as the other Honda model, especially for 2005 to 2010. If you can see right here, there are some anchors right here. So these are all using a 10 millimeter bolt. So the 10 millimeter bolt are basically just anchors to like the air filter housing, the hoses right there, and the one right here as well. The actual bolt that actually secure this into your vehicle is located at the bottom. So I took this out already, so you can easily see that. So you can usually see the top portion, but if you look here, there is a bolt down right here. So that's one over there, and then you look right here, there's another bolt down right here, so two. So you have those two bolts that is bolted directly to that one right there and that one right over there. So those two are using 12 millimeter bolts. Okay, so once you remove those two, you can access those from the top. You need to go under the vehicle, because if you look at the shape of your housing, it's basically like that, right? And if you follow this, there is also a bolt right there and another one on this side. So it's like that, right? So I'm gonna put this aside, and if you look right here, let me go bring this thing in. There's actually one screw there, so this one I don't have to remove it completely because the battery is actually have a notch on it, so you just have to slide it up. But then there's another one right over there in the corner right here, so I'm not sure if you can see that. Okay, and you need to remove that completely. So in order for you to remove that, you want to go under the car. So under the car you can easily access it. This one here, you can access that right behind the wheel. So you can see right now, you can see the floor. Okay, now this one right here, you're gonna need to remove the plastic cover on the bottom of your vehicle. So to remove the plastic cover, basically those are just using a plastic snaps. So just pry those snaps out and pull the cover down, and you should be able to access that. So it's a little frustrating to when I was working on it yesterday, because I thought I can access everything from the top, but I was having a really hard time doing it on the top. But you know, once I decided to do it from the bottom, I was able to remove that screw and that screw within 10 minutes. You know, that's including removing all those plastic snaps over there. So don't try to remove that and the two bottom screws from the top, because it's gonna be hard. It's easier for you to just do it directly from the bottom of your van. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful, and please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button. I'm gonna be adding another video on how to test your starter and also how to replace your starter. Thank you.